Hi, I'm Kelly and I'm a Cyrus customer. I'm here today to do a product demonstration on the Volkswagen Caddy Life. It's an upfront passenger vehicle, so we're going to show you how you get into the vehicle and get secured. With the Caddy Life, you've got two options. You can either have a manual ramp, but today we're going to be demonstrating the automated tailgate and ramp system. So all you need to do is press the top button on the key fob and hold it down, which will mean that the tailgate starts to open automatically. As you can see, the suspension also lowers whilst you're doing that. As the ramp's lowered, you can see the suspension's really low, which means that it's not very steep, which is great for getting in an electric wheelchair. Now I've got into the vehicle, all I need to do is press the lower button and hold it, and the suspension rises and the back end closes. As you can see, I'm at the absolute front of the car next to the driver, which is great. It's fantastic to be able to sit in the front of a vehicle and feel more social. There's also an option in this vehicle to have up to 5 people travelling, which is fantastic because it's such a small vehicle, but it does allow for extra passengers if needed. Hope you've enjoyed the demonstration and that you found it informative. For any more questions, there's loads of information on the Cyrus website. Thanks for watching.